Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, you know, my proper job when I'm not doing this is writing and illustrating children's books. And I'm going to be making a video quite soon about how much children's authors earn. But before I do, what I would really like to know is how much you think a children's book author earns. So let's imagine that I make a book and I'm going to sell it for £5 here in Britain. Now that could be similar to $5 in the States, €5 in Europe. They all work about the same. There's 100 kind of cents or pence in the UK to a pound or to a dollar. So there'd be 500 units in £5, $5, €5, that kind of thing. So do you think, how much do you think I get? Do you think out of a book that sells in the shop and has a retail price on the back, says this book costs £5, how much do you think I get? Do you think I get 25%? Now that's going to be £1.25, which would equate to $1.25, €1.25. Do you think I get 10%, which would mean I get 50p, which would be 50 cents? Do you think I get 7.5%, which would be 37 pence or cents? Do you think I get 4%, which is 20 pence or 20 cents? Or do you think I get 1%, which is 5 pence or 5 cents? If you click up here, you will find you can give me your answer. There's a poll and it's very, very easy. Just click 25%, 10%, 7.5%, 4% or 1% of how much you think I get out of the total price or the recommended price of a book. Now think about, you know, what you think I'm worth. Think about how much the book is worth, or all the costs and all that kind of thing. Just think about how much you think generally an author will get for the book that has their name on. Now I look very much to seeing the results of this survey and also to telling you what the answers are, and I think you might want to know what the answers are. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, then make sure you click the button somewhere around here and subscribe now so that you can find out just how much an author earns from their books. Thanks for watching, and you can support this channel and get so much more on my Patreon page. Click to find out more. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel on YouTube, and in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.